Greetings, greetings, greetings. Talk truth now. If you did have 5,000 people I follow you and I listen you, and somebody tell you say you forget in sin finyam, how way you would I do? Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button. Drop one comment below and share this video with everybody who you know. And if you don't do it yet, go do it now. No, just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. For make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 9 from verse 10 to verse 17. The apostle them come back and tell Jesus all of what they do. Then Jesus take them and slip away, go to one town named Bethsaida. But the people them find out which part him a go and follow him. Jesus named on them back. He make them come. Him teach them about God kingdom and him cure the one them were sick. When evening a come, Jesus 12 apostles them come to him and say, send the people them, make them go in a town and district where they near you so. If you go look food and somewhere for tan. Cause nothing, not there out there so for them. Jesus answered them say, oh no, give them sitting for yam. Then them answer Jesus and say, we have only 5 bread and 2 fish. If we feed a crowd of people here, we have to go buy food. About 5,000 man did they. But Jesus said to him special follower them, make people them group up and sit down. About 50 somebody for they in a one group. Jesus special follower them do him tell them. And everybody sit down. Jesus take the 5 bread and 2 fish and he look up in the sky, give thanks and broke the bread them. Him give them to him follower them, for them give the people them. Everybody nyam till them belly full. And Jesus follower them full 12 basket with leftover food. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.